Hello friends, today I would like to show you most unusual type of citrus. These are the leaves of navel orange, very common citrus. And these, look how small, are the leaves of microcitrus. When the botanists discovered a handful of new species of citrus in Australia with such a small leaves, they decided to call them not citrus but microcitrus. Here is some, and here is another, and here is another with kind of longish leaves. In other words, it got its own genus name. Nowadays they changed their mind and they're just calling it citrus. This, citrus that, bunch of species. They differ from the usual citrus. They all taste like lime, but they differ in shape and texture very, very much from the usual citrus. They crumble when you open it into texture of caviar. That's why people call it vegetable caviar or vegetarian caviar. You would have to add a lot of salt for it to taste like the caviar salt very expensively as a delicatessen. The fishes of a special huge fish. They also differ in shape. The most fanciful shape is microcitrus finger lime, or citrus nowadays circus finger lime. Latin name, I have it somewhere here on paper. Ready, set, go. Australian finger lime, caviar lime. Latin name Citrus australisica, something like that. Microcitrus australisica before. This one is gonna be pink. There is different types of it as far as color of flesh and as far as color of rind. The flesh, the fruit part, could be greeny, when ripe, greenish, yellowish, reddish. The skin, pinkish. The skin likewise, but not always the same as the fruit. This one is pink, supposed to be pink inside, greenish outside when ripe. This one supposed to be black outside when it's ripe, or very, very dark. And when I purchased grafted plant, I didn't want to wait till it'll grow big enough and fruit. And so I took a little twig and grafted it on top of this microcitrus. right up here, and so it has a 1, 2, 3 fruits. In a little while we'll harvest it and take a look at it. I grafted it on this microcitrus. What is this microcitrus? Well, while the Australian finger lime has the most fanciful, longish shape, this one is the rarest, is the last one discovered. In 1980s, I think maybe 1989, a big nursery financed botanical expedition into Papuan Island in search of new species of, I think, if I'm not mistaken, rhododendron. And the botanist there, just as a aside, found, wow, there's another microcitrus, not just in Australia, but there is one in Papuan Island, and he called it Microcitrus papuana. Let me see the paper. Here, Microcitrus papuana, later on renamed to Citrus papuana. Again, tasting like lime, but mellow. All these microcitruses have mellow taste. Again, texture like caviar. And little bit longish the fruit, not quite so much like the finger lime, and a little bit bended on tip. And unfortunately, right now, not happening. So I cannot show you the fruit, sorry about that. Anyway, let me get a ladder and get some of these black finger limes. Supposed to be black. One moment, please. Okay, now you see Microcitrus papuana, bush, tree, bird's eye view. And here we grafted Microcitrus australica, the finger lime, up. And here is a fruit. Little bit green spot here, maybe it's not ripe yet. How about the other one? That one looks riper. How about the third one? Also a little green there. Well, maybe at least one we should harvest, or two. Here it is. Microcitrus australica, the finger lime. Or maybe I should, since I'm already on the ladder, get all three. Okay, this one is not quite so ripe. Maybe the third one I leave to ripen more. Okay, when we come home, I'll cut one to show you how much it looks like caviar. The papuana, we had hundreds of fruits already and never any seed. So that's another thing that would interest me, is that would this one have a seeds? If this one is seedless, next time they flower both at once at the same time, I would try to cross-pollinate them, because generally citrus, when cross-pollinated, actually it's true about other fruits, about apples, I think. Citrus, when cross-pollinated, has more seeds. So maybe I can make the seedless into not so seedless, but then the babies would have something of each parent. It wouldn't be quite like this looking. Okie doke. I have to stop the... This side is kind of greenish too. I don't know yet how to determine... I'm new to this. How to determine when they're ripe. The papuana gets a little bit yellowish and falls off the tree. That's how you know the microcitrus papuana is ripe. But the microcitrus finger lime, I don't know yet. Okay, so let's go to the kitchen and cut one open. Okay, so let me open the ripe one, the black one. Okay, so this is how it looks. Open. So far I don't see seeds. And when you press it, it crumbles into this caviar texture. This caviar like granules. I don't know if camera is showing it enough. Ah, smells nice. Let me open it more to see if there is seeds somewhere hiding. Well, no seeds. At least not in this fruit, or maybe I have another seedless tree. We'll see. And with this, I'm concluding the little video about citrus that many of you probably never heard of. Microcitrus, microlime, finger lime, Citrus australisica or something like that. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye. The vegetable caviar.